So an update on the legs for the foosball table. We have them all, the insides are filled and they're screwed in really good. Now, I noticed at least one of these, this was crooked. It had been on the table so crooked for long enough time that it had warped. But I straightened it out with the wood inside. And the next thing is, how much do I need to extend these legs? Now I'm sure the top is at least a foot. But if it's not much over a foot, or let's say it is a foot, the standard table is 36 inches tall. That would mean my legs need to be much longer. Maybe it's 16 inches, which means I need 4 inches about. So I need to get a measurement. I did cut a bunch of squares that will go on the end like this. Now you're not going to see it once we're done, but they're going to fill in that space. Now I matched them up. So these are all the same thickness. These are all the same thickness. These. So I can pick one off each pile for a leg, so all my legs end up to be even. So I'm going to stop working on this for now. Excuse me. And I'm going to go caulk on the carport and do some priming. It's sunny out. Kind of chilly, but at least it's not too bad. I think it's warm enough to caulk and maybe prime. So that's what we're going to work on now.